Hello and welcome. It's November, and despite the pandemic, many of us have turned our attention to Christmas shopping. It can get a bit muddled though, so to help keep us organised, we've turned to Notion. I've set up a board and shared it with my wife. The board helps us keep track of who we bought presents for and who's still outstanding, plus lots more. Let me show you how it works. So here we are back in my Notion HQ. I've certainly been using Notion a fair bit at the moment. Let's dive into my Christmas planning template. So this is a board and it works from left to right. Each individual will be set a status from not started to ideas to started and then finally, hopefully, to completed. Let me show you one individual, Baby B. You can see, to brighten things up and help me spot them in a crowd of data, each individual has an emoji and cover art. One reason why I do really like using Notion. Then we can see their status, tags for the gifts we have purchased, notes, which is where we can pop anything really, including random gift ideas when they pop into our heads. We have a Father Christmas checkbox for making sure all our correspondence and arrangements with the big man himself are done. We then have a relationship tag. This one is tagged family. I have other tags for friends, work and childcare providers. And then up here we have a web link. Click on this and we are taken to a website so we can look at the gift we have purchased. Or perhaps my wife can have a little look at the gift I'm thinking of purchasing and let me know whether that's a good idea or not. So let's jump into another data card, this time of someone who has a status of started. We can see the same information and the gifts purchased so far. So we bought a gift, time to update the Notion board. We click the profile and then type in the gift. And then upgrade their status to completed. And now, just like that, they are in the right-hand column. It really is very easy. Let's take a look at alternative views. We can see this information in a table view. And I've also filtered out views for different relationship categories, for example work, family and friends. Just click on one of those and we can see who is outstanding or what's been done. I've also made a data card for the Christmas dinner and Christmas supplies. This just makes it easier to track the bits and bobs we need over the Christmas period. As I mentioned, I've shared this board with my wife and we both have live access. To share, just go up to where it says share on the right hand side and then where it says add people, you can add individuals. Notion really has been a bit of a revelation for me recently. I was put onto it after seeing it featured on Ali Abdaal's YouTube channel and I'm finding so many handy uses for it. Let me show you really quickly my library. Notion really works rather well as a tool to create a library. I've been slowly going around all the books in my house and inputting the data. Strangely relaxing. I've categorized and created views based on some of my favorite categories. I can quickly see what books I'm currently reading. Really handy for someone like me with the terrible habit of reading too many books at once and getting a bit muddled. Anyway, enough of that. Perhaps that's for another video. Well, I hope you found that useful. And if you did, give it a go and hopefully it takes some of the stress out of Christmas shopping this year. I'm going to be using a similar board to help keep track of gifts received, especially useful when it comes to those all-important thank you letters. Anyway, it's a bit early for Christmas decorations at the moment. It is only November, but it might not be too early for a Christmas drink, so I'm just going to go fetch myself one. In the meantime, many thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.